Hey there gamers, ready to dive into action-paced world of Free Fire? Whether you are new to the battle or coming back for more, I am going to show you how to download Free Fire in your mobile phone. So without any delay, let's start the video. First thing first, grab your phone and open your Google Play Store. Once you are in the Google Play Store, in the search bar, type Free Fire. Once you see Free Fire icon, go ahead and hit the install button. It's pretty light download, but make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi, unless you are cool with using data. Free Fire is action-packed battle royale game where 50 players are dropped onto an island and fight to be the last one standing. With quick 10-minute matches, players can choose their landing spots, loot weapon and engage in intense combat, featuring a variety of characters, each with unique abilities. Once the Free Fire is downloaded, tap on open. And now you are ready to hop into some action-packed battle royale gameplay. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.